Okay, if you are interested in learning how to code and we want to learn web design and development, I will train you and employ you. My organization, Heroic Universal Concept International, we started recently to recruit people. And we noticed one thing, that the people we recruited, many of them are not experienced at all. So we decided to teach our workforce. Okay, this year and next year, we want to employ at least 50 to 100 people in web development, in graphic design, video editing, and social media management. Okay, now, if you are interested in web development, this is the opportunity for you. We are going to train you and employ you if you do well. And while you're learning the skill, there are some bonuses you are also going to get. There are some courses we are going to give to you for free to help you. In case at the end of the course, if you're not among those that are employed by us, you can employ yourself. The bonuses include Dollar Client System. It's one of our courses that will teach you how to get foreign clients with your skill. With the skill you are going to learn, you learn how to get foreign clients and make some money in dollars. Another bonus is copywriting course, WhatsApp marketing course, where we teach you how we're able to make millions on WhatsApp. The last but not the least is partnership. You are going to partner with us while you are learning if you want to. Some of our students are partnering with us and making some money as they are learning. All these are the opportunities you are going to get when you pay for the course. Meanwhile, if you don't have enough money to pay for the course right now, we have tried to make the payment flexible because we understand that we're in Nigeria. Okay, some people can actually afford to pay for some courses. So we made it easy for you to pay flexibly. The payment is flexible. So if you are interested, please don't waste time. Click on the button you are going to see here to get started. But if you are not interested in web development, but you want to learn any other course, just drop the course in the comment section, then I will shut you up and guide you on how to get started on that.